Mario. Let's go. We're going to have fun. Yay, we get 5 lives instead of 4 like we got with Luigi. Okay, Luigi is such a big baby. I don't know what this is about. Holy crap! Oh no! Why? Okay, let's start again. That's okay. It's not like it's a time limit or anything. I just take my time. Holy crap! Cool. Oh crap, it's spinning. Okay. Awesome. I'm no longer. I'm Big Mario. This flower makes me nice. Oh shit! Oh no! This game totally sucks. Why? Oh shit! I should have known that. I'm never going to rescue the freaking princess. Why? Okay. Oh shit! What the heck was that, man? Okay, let's start again. Okay. Oh, what the heck? That wasn't even fair. No. No, I'm the super great Mario. I told you, Mario. I told you, Mario. It just isn't worth it. Yeah, neither of you, Luigi. See you later, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.